Welcome back to Sailing Windsome. These are our boys, Lenny and Ratchet. And my name's Michelle, and this is Chris. And this is our boat, Windsome. Last week we put her in the water. No leaks, good to go. This week we fix all the mast wires and make sure that there's no clanging and banging. No sailor wants to be that guy.
So I started to take the wires out of the mast today. The boat, she's in the water and ready to go. I've got strings attached to the VHF antenna. Power for my light. And we come down here. There's a lot of masts there. Down here to the spreader light, the deck light. I've got another string on that. Bundle of 4 wires. And so I started pulling it out, and you wouldn't believe how much bird nests came out. She's a bird nest city in here. So let's watch. Oh, another one. Piece of foam. '76. And here we are. Yay. A little cleanup and no more banging wires in the mast. So I started to take the Okay, so I got zip ties on all of the wires, hoping I've measured correctly for the spreader wire, which starts there, as you can see. And we just did that all down the line. I left the foam that was on the spreader wire already. It must be the only original wire from the boat. So these wires are all in good condition. Found one little spot right here, and I'll tape that up. But I'm pretty much ready to pull it into the mast now. So I guess we'll see how this goes. And here we have, it took me about an hour to get them pulled through, but there they are. There's that guy. We're done. Here's this end. Here's this gross mess. I'll bring a rake tomorrow and finish it up.
Now it's time to hook up the solar, check the lights, and get the mast up. While Christopher worked on the mast, I hung out with the boys. One went swimming, and one just continued to be his crazy, goofy self. Back at the boatyard the next day, we got the bimini up. Christopher started putting all the solar panels up. And I got to work on this disastrous boat. It has tools everywhere and things everywhere and stuff everywhere. So I'm going to organize the boat and Christopher's going to organize all the solar. Don't forget to subscribe. It helps more than you know and requires nothing. Alright, we got a tote of stuff to go home. Everything's all sorted. Everything is in its place, mostly. Still needs a good cleaning. We need some clean sheets, and we'll be ready for our first night on the boat. Thank you for watching Sailing Windsome. And don't forget to subscribe. It helps more than you know. First sleep on the boat next week. Subscribe.